how to feature channels on YouTube. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can feature channels on YouTube. It's very easy and you honestly don't need any advanced knowledge whatsoever. Simply come on to your channel settings and then after that click on customization from the bottom left, and then after that from over here just simply click on add section, and then over here simply choose channel. So for example, from over here I will click on featured channels, and then after that I can simply type in any title that I want for these channels, and then after that I can just simply type in any channel on YouTube. For example, education channels, I can add in as many channels as I want. And then once I have chosen my channels, then I will click on done from the bottom right, and then from the top right I can simply click on publish, and now my channel is going to be published. So guys, that is how you guys can add featured channels to your YouTube channel, and it's very easy. It's very helpful as well for all of your subscribers, so be sure to do this and you guys can definitely feature channels on your own channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.